This is Dan at Cardboard Hobby. We are cracking 2024 Hit Parade Baseball Vintage Lite 5-box eBay break. February 27th, 2024. I'm going to read off eBay usernames with team names. We got Chunzy28 with the Phillies. We got Trent Dude 9902 with the Cubs and the Tigers. We got ARAB357 with the Pirates and the Reds. BA_7700 with the Athletics. Zachary69 with the Padres. Real Slim Shady with the Giants and the Yankees. John Dahman Jr. with the Nationals. We got Barnyard Found with the Cardinals. One rookie, one with the Astros, Angels, Twins, Indians, and the Dodgers. Aguadilla 1982 with the Brewers. We got Mets fan Walt with the Mets. Barnyard Found also with the Orioles. MIC-237225 with the Red Sox. Big Jim 847 with the White Sox. ADLAND17 with the Braves, and that is your full lineup. All right. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 boxes. 2024 Hit Parade Baseball Vintage Lite Edition Series 1. This is box number 284 to 300. Love the Hit Parade products. Plastic coming off box number 1. Let's crack the seals. We got 10 vintage cards per box. It's going to be a fun break. All right, guys. Box number 1 coming at you here. Once again, 10 cards here. 10 vintage cards. Empty box. All right, here we go, guys. Good luck, everybody. We got Jim Bottomley. Very nice, Jim Bottomley. We've got a Felix Mantilla for the Braves. The Braves with the Felix Mantilla. There we got a Don Mueller. The Giants. Nice Don Mueller there for the Giants. Also for the Giants, a Bob Berta. Bob Berta for the Giants. We got a Willie Horton for the Tigers. Nice Willie Horton for the Tigers. 1964 pitching leaders. We got Mr. L. Jackson for the Cubs, Jay Marichal for the Giants, and Ray Sadecki for the Cards. Pitching victory leaders. We have a Augie Gallen. Giants. Nice Augie there. We got a Larry Burright for the Mets. Nice hit for the Mets on the Larry Burright. We have another hit for the Mets. 64 rookie stars. Mets Steve, Dylan, Ron Lockey. Very nice hit there for your Mets. And our last card of box number 1 is Larry Doby for the Tigers. Nice Larry Doby for your Tigers. All right, box number 2, box 99 of 300. Plastic coming off. Let's crack the seals. All right, here we go. Box number 2. Coming at you. Empty box. All right, guys, here we go. Box number 2, we got a Dale Long for the Cubs. Very nice Dale Long there for your Cubs. Got a Johnny Padres, Dodgers. Nice Johnny there for the Dodgers. Your Giants, Gaylord Perry. Nice. Nice Gaylord Perry. Very nice for the Giants. We got a Barney McCoskey for the Indians. We have a Pedro Ramos. The Senators. Ramos for the Senators. We got a Coot Veal also for your Senators. We have Al Dark for the Cardinals. Nice Al Dark there for your Cardinals. We have a Dahl Maxville for the Cards as well for your Cardinals. Nice Maxville there for the Cardinals. Yankees, Steve Hamilton for your Yankees. Very nice. Steve Hamilton for the Yankees. We got a Billy Hoft for the Tigers. Your Tigers on the board there. All right, guys. Box number 3. Box 10 of 300. Coming at you. All right, here we go. Box number 3. Empty box. All right, guys, here we go. Box number 3. We got a Jim Rivera for the White Sox. For the Tigers, Steve Boros. Nice Steve Boros there for the Tigers. J.C. Martin for the White Sox. Nice J.C. Martin there for the White Sox. 61 rookie. For the Cardinals, Dick Hughes for the Cards. Nice Dick Hughes for your Cardinals. We got a Bob Chacalaise. Senators. We have a Tommy Helms for the Reds. Sporting News. How about, for the Braves, Mr. Hank Aaron. That's a really, really nice hit there. Congrats to the Braves. Beautiful Hank Aaron. Wow, is that nice. That is a really, really nice hit there, guys. Congrats to the Braves. Very nice Hank Aaron. That is his 1965 here, by the way, tops. Hank Aaron. Beautiful hit. Congrats to the Braves. Wow, what a hit. All right. For the Cubs, we got a Wayne Shure. Nice Wayne Shure for the Cubs. We have a 65 ERA leaders. Sam McDowell, Eddie Fisher, Sonny Siebert. And our last card is a Jim Coker for the Cardinals. All right, box number 4 coming at you. Box number 294 out of 300. Plastic coming off. Cracking the seals. All right, guys, here we go. Box number 4 coming at you. Empty box. All right, guys, here we go. Box number 4. We have a Galen Cisco for the Mets. For your Mets. We've got a Stan Lopata for the Phillies. We've got a Ray Boone for the Tigers. Nice Ray Boone there for your Tigers. A John Boozer for the Phillies. We got Phil Reagan, Tigers. Let's see here. We got a Mantles clutch home run. 64 World Series, game number 3. Mickey Mantle connected with the first pitch. Nice hit there. We got a Harry Lowry for the Reds. We got a Chuck Coles. Chuck Coles for the Reds. The Cubbies with an Al Spangler. Nice Al Spangler for your Cubbies. And our last hit, box number 4, Ken Hubbs for the Cubs. Nice Ken Hubbs for the Cubs. Very nice. All right, guys. Box number 5. Box number 7 out of 300. Plastic coming off. Crack in the seals. All right, guys. Here we go. Box number 5. Empty box. All right, guys, here we go. Box number 5. Good luck, everybody. We got a Vern Law for the Pirates. Nice Vern Law there for your Pirates. We have a Hank Foils for the Pirates as well. Back-to-back Pirates there. Gus Zernile for the Tigers. We got a Paul Foytak for the Tigers. Joe Nuxhall for the Reds. We got a Gil Hodges. Dodgers. Nice Gil Hodges for the Dodgers. Very nice. We have a Lou Kretlow, White Sox. We got a Ray Coleman. Nice Ray Coleman there for the St. Louis Browns. We got a Gordy Coleman for the Reds here. And our last vintage card is a Phil Gagliano for the Cardinals. All right, guys, we are going to do a quick recap here. So let's get right to it. We got the Phil Gagliano for the Cards. We had your Gordy Coleman for the Reds. Ray Coleman. Mr. Ray Coleman. That is for your St. Louis Browns there. We had the Lou Kretlow for the White Sox. Gil Hodges for the Dodgers. For the Reds, Joe Nuxhall. We got Paul Foytak for the Tigers. Gus Zernile for the Tigers as well. Hank Foils for the Pirates. Also for the Pirates, Mr. Vern Law. We had a Ken Hubbs for the Cubbies. Also for the Cubs, Al Spangler. Chuck Coles for the Reds. Rookie stars of 1959 there. We also had a Harry Lowry for the Reds there. We got your Mantles Clutch Home Run World Series card. Very nice hit. Phil Reagan there for the Tigers. For the Phillies, John Boozer. We got Ray Boone, also for your Tigers. Stan Lopata for the Phillies. For your Mets, Mr. Galen Cisco. Cardinals, Jim Coker. 65 ERA leaders, Sam McDowell, Eddie Fisher, Sonny Siebert. For the Cubs, a Wayne Scher. How about this one? Hank Aaron for the Braves. Yeah, really nice hit. 65 Hank Aaron. That is a gorgeous hit there. Congrats to the Braves. What a hit there. Beautiful hit. Yeah, card's in really nice shape as well. Obviously, the centering is a little off, but that's a beautiful card there. Congrats to the Braves. What a hit. Tommy Helms for the Reds. We got Bob Chocolates, Senators. For the Cards, Mr. Dick Hughes. Jay C. Martin for the White Sox. 61 rookie there. Steve Boros for the Tigers. Jim Rivera, White Sox. Billy Hoft for the Tigers. Yankees, Mr. Steve Hamilton. We got Dal Maxville for the Cards. We got Al Dark for the Cardinals. We got a Coot Veal, Senators. Pedro Ramos for your Senators as well. We have a Barney McCoskey for your Indians. For the Giants, a Gaylord Perry. Another nice hit there. Nice Gaylord Perry for the Giants. Johnny Padres there for the Dodgers. Dale Long for the Cubbies. Larry Doby, Tigers. We have a 64 rookie stars for the Mets. Steve Dillon, Ron Lockey. Very nice hit there for your Mets. Larry Burright for the Mets as well. Got an Augie Gallon, Giants. We got a 64 pitching leaders. 64 pitching leaders card there. We got L. Jackson, Jay Marichal, and Ray Sadecki there. The Tigers, Willie Horton. For the Giants, a Bob Berta. We got a Giants, Don Mueller. We got Felix Mantilla there for the Braves. Very nice hit. And our very first vintage card of the break, Jim Bottomley. Very nice, Jim Bottomley. Guys, I want to thank everybody so much for breaking, guys. Really, really do appreciate it. Cardboardhobby.com. Dugan 1640 on eBay. Once again, guys, we do have breaks filling on our website. Teams and spots are selling quickly. Don't miss out on those. We do have 2 website breaks tonight as well. We got a great schedule all week long. I'll be sticking around. We still have more breaks coming up tonight, guys. Thank you so much for all your support. Really, really do appreciate it. Please be smart. Be safe out there.